The Faculty of Veterinary Medicine at the University of Nairobi has been partnering with the Atlantic Veterinary College at UPEI since 2009 on research and training projects on smallholder dairy farms in Kenya. The projects have been able to figure out the frequency, distribution, and risk factors of diseases caused by parasites, viruses, and bacteria affecting the udder, intestines, uterus, and skin. The projects have also identified the costs of benefits of specific management practices related to productivity, nutrition, reproduction, and cow comfort through randomized control trial experiments on farms.
The Naari Dairy Cooperative Society in Kenya has been partnering with Farmers Helping Farmers and the University of Prince Edward Island for over 4 years. The partnership has led to better milk production among its 500 active dairy farmer members through training in dairy cattle health management and provision of additional resources, including funds for sexed semen and other cow reproduction enhancements, cow shed improvements for better cow comfort, and leguminous tree seedlings for better cattle nutrition. Also supplied to the Naari dairy were additional aluminium milk cans for transporting milk with better hygiene and 2 silage choppers to promote silage production and storage for better cow nutrition.
In the summer of 2017, I had the privilege of being a part of the Farmers Helping Farmers veterinary team, who are working with the dairy farmers of Kenya. Our days were spent driving along the red dirt roads of Naari, Kenya, visiting dairy farms to collect data for our research projects and providing recommendations on how to increase milk production through improved cow comfort and nutrition. Although I value all of the myriad experiences that I had in Kenya, one experience that I particularly cherish is the time spent conversing with the farmers over a cup of tea in the shade of the banana trees after our day's work was done. Kenya will forever hold a very special place in my heart.